Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
it is time to good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. And how have you been?
It's going very well, ma'am.
Okay, good to hear. Good to hear. So since we are meeting very first time, so let's break the ice with
Yeah,
introduction. So would you like to initiate yourself? You can give your
yeah,
introduction
ma'am.
itself. Okay,
It's
that
okay,
it
ma'am.
can improve further.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Karthikeyan.
Yeah.
My hometown is Tiruvarur,
Mm-hmm.
which is in Tamil Nadu, ma'am. Which is in Tamil Nadu.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, when comes it about my qualification, I have done graduation in computer application, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
When comes it about my previous job profile, I had been working in railway sector for around 5 years. Um, now railway terminated us because of as we selected under contract basis, ma'am. Also, now I am looking to start small kind of business as well as trying to become small YouTuber, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now you are trying to be a businessman.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm trying to start small business uh, as well as trying to small YouTuber, ma'am.
Okay, you are also trying to be a YouTuber. Okay, that's great.
A small
We
YouTuber.
should keep
Yeah,
exploring the
just
new
trying, ma'am.
things.
Just I'm trying.
And yeah,
Mm.
we should keep doing the different things. Maybe we don't know
Yeah,
that what is going to work for us. So that's why we should
yeah,
keep exploring different things, and we should, we
yeah,
should be
ma'am.
engaged in doing something better. Okay, that's great to know
Yeah.
that you have so much on your plate and you are doing. Okay, so may I introduce myself? Let me introduce myself. So as you know,
Uh,
my
um,
name,
yeah,
okay,
ma'am.
as you know, my name
Uh,
is Darshi, and
okay, ma'am.
I hail from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my master in chemistry subject. Furthermore, I did
No.
B. And after completing my study, I was working as a chemistry teacher. But now, currently, I'm not working. I'm just down and out. But apart from this, I'm providing tuition at home, and along with that, I have a YouTube channel where I upload English conversation related videos. And also, when it comes to my hobbies, so I have a bunch of hobbies, like I love cooking, stitching, traveling, talking with diverse background people, listening, reading, watching English content a lot. Yeah, that's all about me.
It is really nice to hear, ma'am.
Thank
Um,
you.
Ma'am, actually I'm the beginner in speaking English. Recently I have started to talk with YouTuber. Uh, uh, so far so far I have talked with the 5 YouTubers only, ma'am.
Hi, future sir. So yeah, you have already started your journey, and
Yeah,
you have taken your initiative, and it is really good. Because there are so many people, they are afraid of taking, initiative for learning this language. So
yeah,
it is great that you are able to take initiative. And once
yeah,
you
ma'am.
are able to take initiative, then your journey is going to be a good, and you are going to be a better every day by day, because this is something that
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
whenever you practice, every single day, whenever we do practice every single day, so that time, we become better every single day, and we learn
yeah,
something
ma'am.
new every single day, and also we gain lots of confidence, and we feel comfortable with this language.
Mm,
Whether
yeah, ma'am.
if we are having conversation every single day, and if we are able to maintain my consistency, so it is really good that you have already taken your initiative. It's
Yeah,
really
ma'am.
good.
Yeah. Without giving opportunity, no one can improve.
Yeah.
So,
Before
yeah,
yeah,
ma'am.
without starting you cannot do anything, but you have
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
take first step, then you would be able
Yeah,
to go with your journey. Otherwise you will
yeah,
stay remain at the same place whenever you are.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Really, I felt comfortable comparing with my previous session, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the beginning stage, I felt fumbling. I was being very hesitation, ma'am, when I was talking with the previous conversation, ma'am.
Okay, I think it's a very obvious and it's normal. I think that when we start something new, when we step
Mm,
out of our comfort zone, so that time, we feel hesitant, we feel reluctant, and we feel nervous, and we feel uncomfortable as well, and we
yeah,
feel, shy. So it's I think these are the things. Of this learning process that we have to tackle all the things throughout this journey along with this way. So we all face, I think, it's not like that I have only faced all these challenges and obstacles. We all face whenever we start
yeah,
something new, and but be afraid of taking initiative.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, ma'am.
because
At the
I was the same that when I started learning this language, and especially particularly when it comes to talking on video call, so I was afraid of taking that step. But I think somehow I gathered some courage, and I try to convince myself that no, if you want to learn this language, that time you have to come out of this, of this comfort
yeah,
zone.
ma'am. Yeah, definitely,
You
sure,
have to come
definitely.
out of your comfortable place, then you will be able to see progress, and then you will be able to confront all the fears, whatever you have. Then I
Yeah,
think
ma'am.
then after confronting and after tackling the fears, now I feel that now I am more comfortable with this language, and I'm
Yeah,
becoming
ma'am.
astute every single
Yeah,
day in this language. Yeah, that's
yeah.
great.
Yeah,
Okay,
in
so
the
mhm.
at the beginning stage, everyone has to face okay, everyone has to face the situation, ma'am. But it will take some time. If you cross that time, we will be able to speak a good English, ma'am. I think.
Yes, yes, right, right, right. So I would like to ask you, since when you have been learning this language?
Ma'am, actually, I am interested to speak in English. When I used to watch others speaking good English, myself was triggering much. Why you are not able to speak English? Uh, um, that's why I have started. That's why I have started to speak in English. Before that, I was thinking much. If I spoke with a lot of mistakes, what others would think about my English? There are many kind of thoughts was arriving in my mindset, ma'am. Anyway, now
Hmm.
I have started to speak in English. Um, Also, nowadays, for improving my English, I used to watch a conversation videos. English with the Ramsar. I think famous YouTuber Ramsar from Tamil Nadu. I
Hmm.
used to watch Ramsar video. Another one is Magalakshmi ma'am video. Magalakshmi ma'am, who is from Coimbatore.
Who
Um,
is? Who is?
Magalakshmi madam, Magalakshmi madam,
Mahalakshmi. Yeah, yeah, I heard
ma'am.
Mahalakshmi. Hmm.
Who is from Coimbatore, ma'am.
Yeah.
Recently I talked with the Maxina madam. I talked with the Maxina madam, who is
Margina.
from Assam.
Margina?
Yeah, Assam. Yeah, Maxina, Assam.
I think I'm
You
aware.
Assam. Maybe I think you made conversation with the her, ma'am. Recently you made conversation with the her.
I have conversation. I have had conversation with her.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
ma'am.
I'm
Yeah,
not
ma'am. Yeah,
recalling
ma'am.
that name, and I'm not recalling that person face.
Uh,
So maybe that's
yeah,
why.
Assam. Actually, I could not remember her name correctly, but who is from Assam?
Oh, who's from? Okay, I think.
Assam.
Okay.
I think she is also Muslim, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
She's also Muslim. I think somewhere I am trying to remember, but I don't vividly remember her face. Maybe I
It's
have
okay, ma'am.
talked. Yeah,
Okay. It's okay, ma'am. Okay,
Meher
ma'am.
Jabbi, I think.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, how long you have started video conversation, ma'am? How long you have started video conversation, ma'am?
How long I have been learning this language?
I am a video conversation, ma'am, through speaking through video call. How long?
Through video
How long
call.
you
Okay.
are speaking through video call, ma'am?
Okay, I got it. I got it. So, well,
Hmm.
when it comes to talk on video call, I think honestly speaking, it's been 8 and 9 months that I have been
Oh,
having conversation on video call. But in the
oh,
meantime, like in the middle of that time, I was not consistent 3 and 4 months on video call. Because at that
hmm,
time I was overloaded with other work, so that therefore I couldn't pay attention on my practice, especially
hmm,
when it comes to talk on video call. So I didn't do practice, 3 and 4 months. But I think since when I have restarted this journey, so it's been 2 months. I must say it's been a
oh,
2 months, and from since then I am very consistent on my practice, and I just try to maintain my consistency, and as well as I just try to talk at least a one person, every single day. So that's how
hmm,
I can be better in this language, or I can be more comfortable, and I can be gain more confidence in this language, because confidence
oh.
comes when you practice a lot, and
Yeah, ma'am, ma'am.
and you feel comfortable when you have interaction with lots of people, and especially those are from different diverse background people, like diverse and different state people. When you have interaction, so that time you mitigate your fear, and you become you become comfortable with this language. Then you mitigate your hesitation and your shyness, I would say. So that is the reason that I just try to have conversations regular basis. So it's been,
Okay, ma'am.
like,
Okay.
I would say, on and off. It's been a year that I have been having conversation on video call. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Practice only makes perfect test, ma'am.
Yes, it's true. It's
Yeah,
completely true. There is no doubt
yeah,
for about
yeah,
that.
ma'am.
Okay, so if you would like to discuss anything, or if you have any questions, so then you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Have you ever come to south part of the India, ma'am?
Sorry, could you please repeat that?
I asked, ma'am. Have you ever visited south part of India, South India?
No, honestly speaking, I haven't visited southern part of India, but I truly want to visit the southern part of India, because I have heard a lot about the south side. There are
Mm.
there are so many places that we must visit in our life. Once. So I'm planning to visit, but I don't know how much time it will take to go out there. But I really want to
Okay,
visit.
okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to South India. Welcome to South India, ma'am.
Thank you.
Including welcome to Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, I have a question that I want to ask you.
Okay, ask, ma'am.
My question is, what is something new you have
Mm.
tried recently? What is something new you have tried recently? And what is something you have learned recently?
Yeah, ma'am. Recently, um, what if I want to say frankly, really I felt happy. I felt happy in conversation with the video call with the others because of I was fearing much through speaking English through video call. I I was thinking much for 1 year, ma'am. Anyhow, I wanted to talk with the other through video call. It was triggering much myself. You wanted to start. You wanted to start. Really, now I have started to speak with other through video call, ma'am. It is
Great.
I feel this is a good thing. It is
Yeah.
a good thing in my life. It is a good thing.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah,
great
ma'am.
that you have started talking and you have recently,
Yeah,
learned
ma'am.
this thing that how to talk and how to take a conversation, particularly on video call. So I would say that you recently learned.
Yeah,
Oh,
ma'am.
that's great.
Yeah, ma'am. I feel it is my achievement. I feel this my achievement in my life. Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, 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 yes. So if you have any question,
Mm, ma'am, um, say some idea how to improve my English level. How to improve my English level. How to become perfect in speaking English. What are the practice you are doing regarding and improve your English skill, ma'am?
okay, I would say there are so many things that we can try and we can inculcate in our life for just improving this language. But firstly, I would like to say one thing that maybe the method worked for me, perhaps it is not going to work for you because everyone has their own way of learning this language. Okay, so for me, listening and speaking worked for me, but
Oh,
maybe
listening and speaking.
it is not going to work for you, and maybe you are not interested in listening. Maybe reading is work for you, and writing is work for
Mm,
maybe it can be anything, and I think we should pick up the thing according our interest, according our
mm,
genre. So in my case, I have learned this language by listening and speaking, because
mm,
I never do writing practice because this seems like a tough, hard nut to crack for me. And once in a blue
mm.
moon, I do, writing. Earlier,
Yes,
I was not also into reading. I was always keep away myself from reading. I was try to escape. When it comes to read. So then, gradually and slowly, I started inculcating, reading in my routine. So now it has become my habit to read every single day. Now I'm reading,
mm,
yeah, currently these days I'm reading a lot because I'm getting, I'm getting so much through reading. I come across many new words and I come across the structures of the sentences and I get, lots of information and knowledge through reading. So now it has become my habit and now I am really enjoying this, and also I listen a lot. I think we should pay more attention on listening because as we see that how we learned our mother tongue, we learned our mother tongue just through speaking, sorry, just through by listening the people and observing the
mm.
people, and getting their words which they used to speak. So that's how we learned our mother tongue. The same thing goes apply with this language as well because this is also a language. So we must pay attention on listening as much as we can. In my case, I paid attention and I was more focused on listening. Like I have listened many,
Listening.
many years. Yeah, I was completely devoted into listening. So listening always worked for me, and speaking also. I speak
Oh,
a lot. Yeah, even though now I'm trying to speak more and more, like I am having conversations one and two every single day. And if someday I don't get people I on this platform like through video call, so that time I go with audio call. There are also many
oh,
platform where you can the
oh,
people very easily. So then I talk out there, just maintain to my consistency. Because this is the only way that we can mitigate our fear and we can confront all the challenges and setbacks. And also reading, I do reading. So just try to do the things which you like, which you are
yeah,
interested,
ma'am.
then you would be
Yeah, ma'am.
obviously, and also be patient and be
Mm,
consistent, on this journey,
yeah, ma'am.
because this is something that it really takes lots of time. We cannot
Yeah, ma'am.
learn this
Definitely,
language
definitely.
in 2 months or in 4 months, 6 months. It really takes lots of time, so we should be patient and we
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
trust the process. If we are putting effort, so we have to keep this thing in my mind that if I am able to put effort, so I would be able to get the result, because your hard
yeah,
work always pay you back, pay you off.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
So you have to trust on your hard work, and you have to trust the process of learning this language, and also be consistent and be patient, and then obviously you will learn this language. You will be able to speak like in a flow or
yeah, ma'am.
naturally.
Yeah,
Hmm.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Passion and the consistency is more important in learning anything, ma'am.
Yes,
Without being patient, consistency, we cannot learn anything. But we need to wait for adapting with that.
yes, 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 yes.
Also, ma'am, moreover, ma'am, when comes to the audio call, I think it is very easy to speak in audio call, ma'am. I think, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
When it comes to video call, it's really tough. It will take much time to speak normal way,
Yes, it
to
takes
speak in
lots of
normal
time.
way, to speak in normal way.
Yeah, it takes
But
lots of
we,
effort.
but yeah, ma'am. But we need to try without
Yeah,
giving
we should, at least
without
we
gi-
should give
without
it a
without
try.
without without being lazy. Without being lazy, we need to try.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
ma'am.
you're right. So I think now I am, my battery is about to die. So I need to charge my laptop. So I think
Okay, ma'am.
it's time to wrap up this session. But it is